As a 21st century teacher and expert in subject, you have created all the content required for teaching learning process. You have created videos, animations, presentations, documents in PDF or images, blogs written by you, podcasts created by you, discussion threads that are created by you, and assignments for students to solve. But the main question is how to disseminate these creations to students. So, a website creation is required for the dissemination of our content. Let's see the most common expectations for creating a website. It should be easy to create. No programming or technical knowledge is required. It should be free of cost. It should be easy to use and manage. And all contents created should be effectively displayed. Will all these expectations be fulfilled? Yes, all are possible through content management system. Let's see what is content management system. Here, the word content means all the material in the form of images, videos, blogs or database that have been created by you. Management means that content can be managed by creating, editing, storing, organizing and collaborating. Now, the third word system means method or protocols or the steps that have to be followed to manage your content. In simpler terms, the Content Management System or CMS is a web-based application on which anyone can create, manage, store, edit or publish massive amount of content without any programming skills. No need of understanding the code languages like HTML, CSS, Java, PHP, etc. Let's see the features of content management system. Create the content, edit it afterwards, store it, manage workflow. That means you can have multi-users. Different users can manage it from different places. Not only that, we can publish it online so that others can see. Let's see the benefits of content management system. It is easy for the non-technical people. It allows multiple users. It streamlines scheduling. Design changes are simple. It helps you to manage content and you are in total control of your website. That is, you did not have to depend on others for making any changes in your website. Popular content management systems are WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Wix, Squarespace, Tumblr, PrestaShop, Magento, Shopify, Statamic, Perch and Kirby. Now let's see the types of content management system. First one is Web Content Management System, WCMS. This allows us to manage digital information on a website. This is meant for exclusively web content creation and is widely used. The second one is Enterprise Content Management System, ECM. which is meant for large organizations where critical information is needed to be delivered to target audience like employees, customers, business enterprises, etc. The third one is Document Management System, DMS, which helps you to manage, store and track documents. The fourth one is Digital Asset Management System, DAM, which is specifically meant for management of digital content. The last one is Component Content Management System. Instead of managing content page by page, CCMS takes words and phrases. This management system is used when contents are reused. Web Content Management System are very popular and widely used. Web Content Management System WCMS is classified into General Content Management System and Purpose-Driven Content Management System. General Content Management Systems usually have no specific purpose. In other words, you can do whatever you want. Also, it can be made into something specific. Some popular general content management systems include Drupal, Joomla and CMS Made Simple. Purpose-driven content management systems usually have one or more purposes. Some popular types include blog software or blogging software. The main purpose of this software is to publish content about a person or company and a blog type format. WordPress and Movable Type are two examples of blog software. E-commerce software. The main purpose of e-commerce software is to sell products or services. More popular e-commerce software includes Zencart, Miva Merchant and Magento. E-learning software. This kind of software is used for educational purposes. Most popular e-learning software includes Moodle and eTutor. Wiki software. This software normally serves to let users collaborate with each other. MediaWiki and TikiWiki are two wiki softwares. Social media software. This type of software focuses on allowing users to build online communities. PHP Fox, Race, Bonex Dolphin and Elk are social media softwares. This pie diagram shows content management system market share. WordPress having 45.03% market share, while Joomla is 35.44, Typo3 is 6.23, Drupal is 7.91, DNN is 2% and others are in 3.4%. From this, it is very clear WordPress is a very popular website because WordPress is easy to use. This picture gives a clear idea about the comparison between WordPress, Joomla and Drupal. According to this, we can conclude that WordPress has large number of downloads and websites as compared to Joomla and Drupal. And also WordPress has large market share and large number of free theme and free plugins. Both are open sources. WordPress needs only 5 minutes for installation, while Joomla and Drupal needs 10 minutes for installation, and also they require technical expertise, while WordPress does not require technical expertise. Therefore, we can conclude that WordPress is very easy to use and popular website. Let's see the limitations of website as content management system. It is less interactive, no tracking, less features, no messaging, and no submissions.